So Dr. Sebi is happy to know that he is one among many that submitted to God on the level of healing and nutrition. I am glad that I no longer eat meat. I'm happy because I am at some measure of peace with myself. And I wasn't peaceful once. No, I was not. Oh God, no, I want to kill my wife. And I meant that. You see? But then I had a lady from Mexico that walked in my house cursing me. Cursing me. Este negro descalzo, negro desgraciado, este negro no sabe nada, saying this black man don't know anything and his bad feet. I don't know why my son bring me here. And she's talking bad. And her son said, that's your patient. So I gave her everything that relates to the central nervous system. Nothing happened. One day he came, and I pondered with that situation. Santana de Dios. Her name is Maria Santana de Dios. See, how am I going to help this lady? How am I missing this lady? I'm going to her central nervous system. I give her the lily of the valley. I give her the holly thistle or blessed thistle. I gave her the damiana. I gave her everything that relates to the central nervous system. The woman haven't budged. When I woke up next day, I said, you have denied yourself. Because my early research shows that every disease begins right here. I mean right here. I don't care if you're blind or if you're insane. It's right here. That negative message, that acid state influences the brain and the central nervous system. It changes the image in your eyes. You do not see with your eyes. Your eyes is only the lens that the brain looks through. What the brain sees is what you're going to see. And that lady would say, no, don't let them take me. No. And there was nobody there, but she was seeing them. The son came. I said, I have something for your mommy. And I made an extract from the Cascara Sagrada. And he picked it up. He came back 3 days later. Every time he came, he said, my mom is still crazy. My mom is still crazy. My mom is still crazy. This time he says, how do you think she's doing? I said, because you asked me that, she's cured. He said, you're right. Mommy, come on upstairs. And she came upstairs. And she said, young man, I want to ask you a question. Did I curse you out? I said, yes, you did. She said, you know why I did that? I said, no. Because my son been taking me to all these doctors and they was taking our money and they never healed me. And I thought that you was going to be one of them and then you were bare feet. You know, nobody trusts you when you're bare feet. You're supposed to have $1,100 shoes on. See, God ain't made no shoes, but the industrialists did, and you have to obey them. She said, but I was going down the steps, and you said, when my son asked you, you think you're going to help mommy? I say, if it is God will. And she heard that. She's no longer crazy. She told the story. She said that when she went to the bathroom upon taking the Cascara extract, she looked in the commode and she saw some berries that she ate 12 years prior. They were lost and they became molded and sent off that negative message. Again, the mucous membrane in the intestine were compromised. There's only one disease. You could tell the world that Dr. Sebi said that.